What's up, guys? So I've been selling a lot of stuff on eBay lately, and it's got me wondering, do I really need this? Do I really need that? So I actually started wondering, do I really need a GoPro? So with my Sony a7S II, I've been using a fisheye, this Samyang 12mm f2.8 fisheye, more than any wide angle lens. So I sold my 10-18, which it was my go-to lens for a long time, and that's what I used on gimbals. But the thing about having a fisheye lens, it's actually more stable than the 10-18 because it kind of rounds those corners. But in Premiere, you can take those corners and pull them back. You can fix the fisheye effect and like that GoPro effect in videos. So I actually put my iPhone on a gimbal. I never film anything or take any pictures with my actual phone because I always have a camera with me. So I put the iPhone on a gimbal, and the iPhone actually has really good stabilization. It looks really good on my regular Zhiyun crane. It's not the iPhone version of the crane or anything like that. It's just a regular gimbal. I put a few weights under the phone, put it on there, and it worked really good. And it got me wondering, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Why do I need to keep my GoPro? I've got a GoPro Hero 6, and it works great. The stabilization is great, but there's the new GoPro Hero 7, and that stabilization is supposed to like blow away the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 6. So there are some weird things about the 6 when it comes to stabilization. I film a lot of skateboarding with my GoPro on a gimbal, and I can just run. I don't even have to skate behind the person, so I can get some really interesting angles. But every once in a while it does some weird glitchy stuff, and I'm thinking about maybe getting the 7. Do I need a GoPro? Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. What do you think has better stabilization, an iPhone or a GoPro Hero 6? You could technically use the iPhone on a gimbal for some of those wide angle shots when you're walking down the street or something like that. I mean, it films pretty good. It's hard to really tell the difference sometimes if you really edit that footage. So I don't know. I can always use my a7S II. The stability on that when it's on a gimbal looks really good too. So do I need another wide angle camera? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section below. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching.